Remember that movie I, Robot with Will Smith? Yeah, we're not quite there yet, but robots are showing up at work. It's wild. In factories, robots already build cars and stuff. Now they're flipping burgers and delivering packages. Some people think robots are cool, some people are scared. Are the robots coming for our jobs? Maybe. But that's not the whole story. Okay, time for a quick tech talk. Let's dive into something that's shaping our world in ways we never imagined. AI stands for artificial intelligence. But what does that really mean? Think of it like this. We're teaching computers to think like humans. Kind of. AI is everywhere, from your smartphone to your car, and even in your home appliances. It's how Netflix knows what shows you like. Ever wondered how it always seems to know your taste? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing habits and preferences. It's how your phone understands your voice commands. When you say, "Hey Siri" or "Okay Google," AI is processing your voice to give you the right response. And yes, it's powering those robots making your burger and fries. In many fast food restaurants, AI-driven robots are taking over repetitive tasks, ensuring consistency and speed. Why is AI so popular? It's not just a buzzword. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, because it can often do things faster and cheaper than humans. Imagine an assembly line that never tires, or data processing that happens in the blink of an eye. Plus, AI can work 24/7, no coffee breaks needed. This means businesses can operate around the clock, increasing productivity and efficiency. From healthcare to finance and even entertainment, AI is transforming the way we live and work. It's not just about robots and algorithms, it's about creating smarter solutions for a better future. So next time you use your phone, watch a show, or even order food, remember that AI is behind the scenes, making it all possible. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Let's be real, some jobs are going to change because of AI. Repetitive tasks like factory work are easy for robots. Don't worry, robots aren't taking over everything, yet. Even complicated jobs are changing. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster. It's like having a superpowered assistant. But don't worry, you'll still have a human doctor, hopefully. Okay, here's the big question. Will a robot steal your job? It's a concern many people have as technology advances at a rapid pace. Maybe, but probably not tomorrow. The reality is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Here's the thing. AI is creating new opportunities as well. It's not just about taking jobs away. In fact, AI is generating jobs too. We need people to build, program, and fix those robots. These roles are crucial in the evolving tech landscape. The jobs most at risk are the ones that are very repetitive. Tasks that can be easily automated are the first to go. Think factory work or data entry. These roles involve repetitive tasks that machines can perform more efficiently. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and problem solving. These are much harder for AI to replicate. Those are safe, for now. So, while some jobs may be at risk, others will thrive in this new era of technology. The future is all about working with AI, not against it. Imagine a world where humans and machines collaborate seamlessly, each complementing the other's strengths. It's time to learn new skills and adapt. Embracing this change means investing in your own growth and development. Think of it like learning how to use the internet. Back in the 90s, the internet was a mystery to many. Remember when we were all scared of that? We were hesitant, unsure of what it meant for our future. The good news? AI can free us from boring tasks and let us focus on more creative, interesting work. Imagine a world where mundane, repetitive tasks are handled by machines, giving us more time to innovate and create. Plus, who knows what amazing new jobs AI will create? The possibilities are endless. We could see roles that we can't even imagine today. Maybe you'll be the first robot whisperer or AI therapist. These new roles will require a blend of technical skills and human empathy, creating a unique and exciting career path. The key is to stay curious and open-minded, attend workshops, take online courses, and engage in collaborative projects to stay ahead of the curve. Collaboration will be more important than ever. Diverse teams bringing together different perspectives will drive innovation and success. As we move forward, technology will become an integral part of our daily lives. Embracing it will open up new opportunities and transform the way we work. So let's look to the future with optimism and excitement. Together, we can shape a world where technology enhances our lives and unlocks our full potential.